7 Roadblocks to Women Investing, AMP. How to overcome them. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 7 roadblocks that prevent women from investing and how to overcome them. Hi, welcome to UpWealth. A lot of times, I find that women are hesitant to invest their money because they don't know where to start, or they're afraid of losing all their hard-earned money. Now, these roadblocks can be anything from a lack of confidence to a fear of losing money. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can tackle each one of them and start investing today. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. 1. Lack of financial education. According to a study by the FINRA Investor Education Foundation, women are less likely than men to feel confident about making financial decisions. This lack of confidence can have serious consequences, as it may lead women to make poor investment choices or to avoid investing altogether. One way to help close the gender gap in financial literacy is to provide girls with financial education at a young age. By teaching girls about basic concepts such as budgeting, saving, and investing, we can help them develop the skills and confidence they need to make sound financial decisions. Furthermore, financial education can also empower girls to take control of their own economic future and break down barriers that have traditionally prevented women from achieving financial independence. 2. Fear of losing money. Women have a natural fear of losing money. They are hardwired to be more risk-averse than men, and this manifests itself in their investment choices. Women are more likely to invest in safe assets, like cash and bonds, while men are more likely to take risks with stocks and other types of investments. This fear of losing money can often lead to women making poor investment choices as they miss out on the potential for growth. However, there are ways to overcome this fear. By educating themselves about investing, women can learn to make smart decisions with their money. With a little knowledge and courage, they can start earning the returns they deserve. 3. Imposter Syndrome. Women have a lot of self-doubt. They always think they are not enough. They think they are not as competent as men. This is called imposter syndrome. Women suffer from imposter syndrome more than men. They feel like they are frauds. They are afraid of being exposed. This feeling is common among high-achieving women. It holds them back from reaching their full potential. Women need to understand that this feeling is normal and that they are not alone. They should also realize that they are capable of great things. With effort and perseverance, they can overcome imposter syndrome and reach their goals. 4. Men dominating the investment field. It's no secret that men have dominated the investment field for centuries. In fact, women have only begun to make serious inroads in recent years. But why does this disparity exist? And why is it important for women to persevere in the face of these odds? There are a number of factors that contribute to the male-dominated nature of the investment field. First, there is a historical legacy of discrimination against women in this area. For many years, women were simply not allowed to participate in the world of finance and investing. Even today, there are barriers that prevent women from accessing the same opportunities as men. Second, there is a lack of role models for women to emulate. When you look at the top echelons of the investment world, you'll find very few women. This can create a feeling of isolation for female investors and make it difficult for them to find mentors and support. Finally, there's an inherent bias against women in the investment field. Studies have shown that women are regularly rated as being less competent than men, even when they have comparable experience and qualifications. Despite these challenges, it's important for women to persevere in the investment field. First and foremost, women have proven time and again that they are more than capable of succeeding in this arena. Additionally, diversity is essential for any industry or sector to thrive. When women are included in the investment field, it leads to better decision-making and improved financial outcomes. Finally, by persevering in the face of adversity, women can help to break down the barriers that have been preventing other women from achieving success in this arena. By working hard and fighting for change, women can level the playing field and create opportunities for other women to follow in their footsteps. 5. Not having enough time to invest. One of the biggest financial challenges women face is not having enough time to invest in their finances. According to a recent study, women are twice as likely as men to say they don't have enough time to manage their money. Part of the problem is that women are still doing the lion's share of unpaid work at home, even though they make up nearly half of the workforce. With all of these demands on their time, it's no wonder women feel like they can't keep up with their finances. The good news is that there are some simple steps women can take to get control of their finances and make their money work for them. By taking just a few minutes each day to focus on their finances, women can start to make progress towards their financial goals. 6. Gender stereotypes and unconscious bias. Women have been making inroads into the world of finance for many years now, but they continue to face challenges in terms of gender stereotypes and unconscious bias. While women have traditionally been seen as more nurturing and emotional, men are still often seen as the more logical and rational sex, making them better suited to financial careers. This stereotype is evident in the fact that women make up just a fraction of the top executives at major financial institutions. Unconscious bias is also a major problem in the world of finance, with women often being passed over for important deals or assignments simply because they are not seen as competent as their male colleagues. While there has been some progress in recent years, much more needs to be done in order to level the playing field for women in finance. 7. Overwhelmed from too many investment options. When it comes to investing, women often face a unique set of challenges. One of the biggest is simply the sheer number of options available. It can be overwhelming to try to sort through all of the different investment products and strategies out there. And even when women find an investment that looks promising, they often second-guess themselves and wonder if they're making the right decision. This can lead to women being more risk-averse and less likely to invest in the first place. Of course, there's no easy solution to this problem. But one thing women can do is try to simplify their investment approach and focus on a few key goals. By doing this, they can help narrow their options and make it more likely that they'll ultimately make a wise investment decision. Women can also seek out trusted advisors who can provide guidance and help women navigate the world of investing. By taking these steps, women can help stack the odds in their favor and make investing less daunting and more rewarding. So there you have it, another video in the series on what we can do to encourage more women to invest. We sincerely hope you found this one helpful and that you will subscribe to our channel so that you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. And don't forget to leave us a comment, letting us know what topics you would like us to cover in future episodes. Thanks for watching.